Hey, Doc! You hear Doc? Doc! Something about the Japanese Doc. Oh, Doc! Hey, Doc! Oh, hey, how's it going, guys? Good to see you. I'm Marty McFly. Congratulations on purchasing the most fantastic time machines ever built by Coulomb Enterprises. Well, aside from Doc's anyway. I guess you haven't seen Doc Brown. I gotta go take care of Einstein for him. But I know a guy who's really good at making the time machines himself. Hey, Rob! Later, guys. Whoa, hey guys, how's it going? Again, congratulations on your purchase on the most iconic replica time machines ever made.
Show them how it works!
I'm getting to that! Again, konnichiwa, Japan. Come with me and we'll show you how it works. Now, to get to the nerve center of the time machine, we've got to open the hood. In order to do that, we've got to go underneath and open the hatch. You have to open the door, and then underneath, reach for the latch, pull towards the back of the car, and release the hood. Before you use the time machine effects, it's always got to be charged. Well, to do that, you need to charge the system with the system's battery charger. But before we do that, we need to plug in your extension cord to the front charging system's bay. First we do is we plug the extension cord into our port. To charge the power system, we need to set it to 10 amps, to AGM, and then take the center toggle switch to the up position where it says charge ready, and turn the main bus key to on, which now indicates charging. Once your system is completed charging, indicated by the green light, you unplug your extension cord. To get the system ready to use, we take the toggle switch from the off position down to the battery in use. We take our toggle key from the off position to the on position. When the system gets down to 9 volts, a failsafe will take effect, shutting off all of the effects. This is your audio volume control panel. It regulates the volume and sound effect levels in the system. To adjust, we use these volume controls to adjust the levels of various sound effects. This is a remote control for the audio and visual effects. Please refer to your owner's manual accounting for each channel. This is your fog effects remote control. To access, slide down, push the green button to expel fog. To stop the effect, hit the red button. This is an Optima Deep Cycle Marine battery. It is not part of the manufactured battery of the Delorean. These are your auxiliary fuse blocks. Each individual fuse powers an individual component of the system. Please refer to your owner's manual. These are the lighting control modules. One for the rear reactor and the other for the auto mufflers. This is the Mr. Fusion biofuel matter transfer unit. Say you're doing an event for long periods of time and the battery gets low. To run off a main power supply, all you have to do is put your main key into the off position, turn on your transfer unit by the regulator, turn your main switch up, which runs your entire system off of main power. To prove that the system is running off of main electrical power, this is where you add your fuel. These are just for effect. This is where you add your brake fluid. This is your windshield washer fluid and your courtesy fire extinguisher. Hey guys, we're now inside the cockpit of the time machine. I bet you probably wondered what makes time travel possible, right? The flux capacitor. To turn the time circuits on, we turn the Y handle counterclockwise.
Okay, now to program your time departure circuits, we're going to go ahead and start with programming the last time departed. You're going to need to enter your date and time, and to do so, that's fairly easy. First, choose your date and time, and I'm going to go ahead and choose November 5th, 1955, 10:04 p.m. So now I'm going to enter it. Then I have to choose AM or PM, 0 for AM, 1 for PM. Once you got what you want, hit the last button on enter, and we have November 5th, 1955, 10:04. Now, everything you display is going to show up here on the first red display screen. We have to move it down to where we want it. Behind the keypad is a little scroll down button. You press it once, and it drops down to the next window. Press it again, and now it dropped down to last time departed. Good. Now we're going to program the present time, which today is July 28th, 2015, and it's around 2 o'clock. So here I go. November 28th, 2015, and it's 0200 and it's PM. Enter, and now reach to our switch, drop it down one display. There we go. Now let's pick our destination time, where I'm going to choose October 21st, 1985, 0121 AM. So October 21, 1985, 0121 AM. Enter. Bingo. That's how you program your departure circuits for all the different displays you're going to need to have for your car and its events. Again, remember about the little switch down or scroll down button in the back behind the keypad, and always start with your last time departed and then move up to your present and your destination time. Thank you.
To access your fog fluid, remove your panel and slide right out. In order to access your car's computer, simply remove the CO2 and lift your port. This is your overhead display. Say you want to change the pattern of the lighting. All you have to do is flip the rear green switches on your overhead display, changes the patterns. Say you want to make them freeze, the last switch, freeze. If you want to change the speed of the lights, you use the speed control dial, which is in the front. Speed it up, slow it down. To the rear of the overhead display are the set of rocker switches. If you do not want to use your remote control to manually or to turn on and off your fog machines or flex bands, simply just flip the switches to manually override and turn on your fog machines and flex bands. This is your car battery on and off switch. Simply turn on or off for the car's system. When the car is not in use, it is recommended that you turn off the car's battery with the car on-off switch. To access your car's fuses, simply remove the hose and open the access panel. In order to turn on and off your car effects, simply lift up on the toggle switch and flip up. To turn it back on, simply flip back down. In order to use your car's backup camera, simply make sure that you have your battery switch to on. Press the on switch on the radio and hit the open button. The car's radio is only wired for the backup camera, not to be used as a radio. I'm standing at the rear of the time machine. Now, to get your Mr. Fusion ready for display, we need to remove the safety latch block with a Phillips screwdriver. we pull the latch forward. And as we all know, the reactor runs on trash. So, we're ready for time travel. Now we're going to be entering the engine bay. What we need to do is remove the lower portions of the exhaust vents by unscrewing 6 screws with wing nuts. Where you now have access to the engine to do repairs. If you need to do repairs on the Time Machine FX, we have access ports to the left and the right pontoons. And we also have the backup camera. As an added note, you do not need to remove the hoses when gaining to the engine bay. This is terminal block A. It is a live terminal strip. Please refer to your owner's manual for any repairs. Well, that's how you use a time machine. I'm Rob Sims. On behalf of Cool Enterprises, we'll see you in the future. Hey guys, well I guess you know all the inner workings of your time machine now. Take care guys, see you in the future.